Hello friends, welcome back. How are you today? This video is regarding the beautiful views and landscape of Ettina Bhuja and Pandavara Gudda. Means Ettina Bhuja is located in Mudigere range, which is of around 5 kilometers trek. So anyone who is fit can easily trek this Ettina Bhuja. Ettina Bhuja is the word which is in Kannada. In English it is called ox shoulder. So this location is very beautiful. When you go on trekking, you will encounter beautiful ranges of greenery, landscapes, and also you can see Ettina Bhuja. So it's all good, very enjoyable track. Only last stretch is little rocky climb. So other than that, you will enjoy at the peak. And in 2 days you can cover Ettina Bhuja, Pandavara Gudda, nearby waterfalls, and byraveswara temple. So you can enjoy the view and the scenery, the beautiful forest around. So it's very beautiful. You don't need any forest permission. So you can just go and hike. Pandavara Gudda, it's a place where Pandavas lived during Ajnatavasa. So it's called Pandavara Gudda. You can hike. There are 2 stretches there. Exit from the temple and 2 kilometers you can hike and then stop. Again you can go another kind of around 2 kilometers. You will have another peak where you will enjoy the full of greenery and the forest and hills, and you will have a peace at the top. So I definitely recommend you to go there and have super fun and feel the peace over there and breathe oxygen, the pure oxygen. So, but I definitely recommend you to wear trekking shoes. So in rainy season it's a little bit risky to wear other chappals or shoes. So trek shoes is best to trek the hills. So enjoy the video and views, guys. So see you again soon. One more point, guys, I just forgot to tell you. When you are heading back to Bangalore, you should have a tandoori chai on the way. For sure.